talk about your first alert weather here with Sydney Welch. Sydney, toasty
Yes.
out there. And we're really just in summer mode here with, official summer is coming up next weekend. So
a week from today.
We started a little early.
Yeah, the heat is on, and we have that chance for thunderstorms. Very summer-like for New England to see a hot day, round out with some thunderstorms. But the difference is that today is going to be very dry for actually most of Sunday. It's going to be very early on Monday morning when we start to hear these rumbles of thunder and see these thunderstorms moving into western Massachusetts, central Massachusetts, parts of southern New Hampshire. This is 1 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Now, as we progress through between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning, now the heaviest rain and those rumbles of thunder right at the coast by 3 o'clock in the morning along the Cape, Boston, North Shore, and parts of southern New Hampshire and the seacoast as well. So then that pushes out, and we're going to be mainly dry. Now, as this comes in, though, we do have the potential for some gusty wind. The highest wind damage threat is going to be further south over parts of New York City, but here in New England, more likely for areas in western Massachusetts and also for parts of Vermont and western Connecticut, but isolated wind damage possible for the greater Boston area as this does move in. Keeping an eye on that and the potential for a severe thunderstorm warning or two as we go through the overnight hours. So you definitely want to have the alerts on your cell phone, or you might just hear it on the roof. But either way, you want to be able to know if you're in a severe thunderstorm warning because those wind gusts could possibly cause some damage nearby. As far as rain goes, those that do see thunderstorms and those really heavy torrential downpours that are going to come with them could see 1 inch to 2 inches of rain in an hour. But for the most part, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch possible as far as rain accumulation goes between now and Tuesday. If you live right at the coast, you know the deal. We're coming up on astronomical high tides, up to 1/2 foot of inundation possible above ground level. That's along the coastline. Winds are going to be shifting, coming in from the north tonight, and then by tomorrow they're going to be coming in from the south as we get in on that wind shift. So that's going to go through Tuesday night's high tide cycle. As far as tomorrow goes, though, temperatures in the morning 73 degrees. By 9 o'clock in the morning, we're looking mainly dry. Skies are clearing. It's going to be a nice day tomorrow, making our way to 80 degrees. Not quite as hot out there. Still above normal, though. Even with this cool down, these temperatures are still about 5 degrees above normal. So high temperatures Monday expected to be around 83 degrees. And as we go through Tuesday and Wednesday, we potentially could see the upper 70s Wednesday. Some of us still getting in on those 80s on Wednesday, and then 83 degrees by Thursday. Not complaining about the heat at all, but it has been very hot out there. We're getting that cool down, though, overnight tonight. Temperatures in the middle 70s by 10 o'clock. It's going to be a little slower to cool down, and then those thunderstorms come in. Once they clear out, though, by the early morning hours tomorrow, they're going to be taking the heat and a lot of the humidity with them. Mainly dry conditions for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, upper 70s and low 80s Tuesday and Wednesday before more scattered storms come in and scattered showers come in on Thursday. 83 degrees for Thursday, and Friday middle 80s, summer solstice a week from today, as we mentioned, and we're going to be ringing in summer with temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s.
Very nice, Sid. Thank you.